Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're at the beautiful Fairway North Fields. Fairway North Fields. We've walked in the lobby, so I just want to show it off to you, see what it looks like. So on the left, we just start with a very, very pretty building. These are, I don't know, 35, 40 feet ceilings, super, super pretty. This is primarily the leasing center. So I'm just gonna walk through here. They've got a cool concierge that's over here. And the leasing team is here too. You can see it's just kind of a nice area to meet. You also have some great coffee all ready for you. So it's not just coffee. They've got the full setup. You've got the syrups, the almond, hazelnut, all the stuff right there. So just grab some coffee anytime. You've got a leasing office here, like I said. That's over here. And then the amenities are pretty spread out. So we're gonna do each amenity on a separate video. But one of the amenities we're about to see is up here. That's the co-working area. So in this building, this very attractive building, the co-working area is here too. So we're gonna go up that right now. Hey, if you have any questions, send me a text.